Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. It's going to be like a pick a card reading. So I will be picking cards for your love energies first. So one card each from two decks, guys. This is for your love energy. So whichever card you feel attracted to, you can watch that, guys. I'll be giving the timeline for the second card, and we'll be picking cards for your daily energies, and we will open those cards at last. So I'll be picking 3 cards for your daily energies, guys. We will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, Aquarius. So let's start with this first card here, guys. So for those who have chosen this card for your daily energies, for your love energy, guys, sorry guys, this is for your daily energy, this is for your relationship or your love energy. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that you may be seeing some new beginnings or some kind of transitions in your life, guys, in your situation. Maybe certain things are changing in your situation because change is inevitable, guys, in anything. Today is a different day, tomorrow will be something different. So each and every day is something different. The same way, even in our life, we change so much, and this person also changes so much. So that is the reason that change is inevitable, guys. That is the core of life. Everything in nature is constantly changing. So to resist that change is not going to work. It will create stress and it will create blocks in your life, guys. So maybe this is the time for you to break free from repetitive patterns and go for those beneficial activities, whatever it is. Maybe this is time you have to let go of your past patterns, whatever that you were following, and embrace the new changes that are coming towards you in your life, guys. Opportunities are coming towards you. It is time you embrace that new opportunity, guys, in your relationship. Maybe based on your past hurt or your past memories, you are not able to see the present, what is coming towards you. So this is what this card is about. So you should be able to open to receive what is coming towards you, guys, that new change that is coming towards you, Aquarius. That is the love energy with this card, guys. Let us see what is this card for those who have chosen this card. Peace. With this card, the energy for your Aquarius is that the oracle's guidance for your love energy. Sometimes in life, we need to go for that radical acceptance, guys. So accepting the things as they are. Maybe in your relationship you have that great understanding with this person, great compatibility, and you have that harmony and balance in your relationship. You are just like two instruments playing together. So much harmony and balance is there in your relationship. So it's unable to tell which separate your music out from each other. So if it is that way, then also it is well and good. But sometimes if it is not that way, if there are some misunderstandings, maybe due to some quarrels or some maybe some things that you don't get along with, something temporary, you should not you should not try to find peace with that with the outer world. You should go for that inner happiness, whatever harmony is there in you. So this is the card for that. So you have to go for that radical acceptance, guys, quiet mind, heart filled with freedom from wanting, expecting things, wanting certain things to go in a particular way. When you free from that, when you get freedom from that kind of attachment, you will be able to have that peace and heart filled with happiness right inside you. So this is what this card is about. This is a time of peace, guys, no matter what is your situation in your love life, in your relationship. Maybe if you have that compatibility, you will get peace from that relationship. But if that is not there, if you are in separation, or if you are in some kind of a temporary breakup or some kind of misunderstandings, you should look for that peace within yourself and understand that even this situation will change in your life, guys. This too will pass, and that is what this card is about. And for your daily energies, Aquarius, it's 5 of Wands, the Star, 7 of Swords in reverse. I hope you can see the cards here. With these cards, Aquarius, the energy for you all is that you are facing lots of stressful situations, guys, and you are making great efforts today. That is what I see here. Maybe in your career situation or in your personal life, lots of obstacles, and you are putting in great efforts. You are fighting with great vigor today. Whatever you need to do, you are fighting it. That is what I see here. And also, guys, you have that hope and faith. You feel that inspiration, confidence, and harmony in your situation, guys. And you are a person who helps others. You are a person who shares your views, ideas. Maybe even you may be a person doing monetary help to people in times of troubles, guys. And even in this situation, maybe some stressful situations are there in your life today, but you find that tranquility. You are able to find that tranquility, inspiration, and harmony in your life. That is what these cards are about. So you are a person with that balanced outlook in life. You are able to see things through, whatever your situation is, and you are what to say, maybe few of y'all, you may be giving good advice to others, maybe some suggestions or counsel to people maybe, but they may not accept it, or you may get somebody's suggestions or counsel on certain things today, but you are not willing to accept that. You are neglecting it. That is what I feel here. And this may relate to this may be your energy, or this may be your person's energy, guys, that you are not accepting the advice or whatever good suggestions certain people are giving. Maybe it may be because of your perception. Maybe you see that situation in a different way. That may be the reason. Or you may feel you know how to handle the situation. You have that confidence that you can make it right. Why to listen to other people? So that may be the reason that you are not accepting the suggestion, whatever they are giving you, guys. So this is for your daily energies, Aquarius. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.